Over the years, we have had our fair share of sexual violence cases. We have seen the Zainab of Qusur, we have seen the cases where minor children were discovered in Karachi. They were like found in different areas of Karachi. We have had different impetuses which brought us to the Anti-Rape Act. In the first phase of implementation of the Anti-Rape Act, we have established, with the technical assistance of UN Women, the first ever anti-rape crisis cell in Pakistan in District South Karachi. We are stone throw distance away from Civil Hospital Karachi, and our anti-rape crisis cell has the referral pathway which connects us directly to Civil Hospital. Anti-rape crisis cell entails service provision under one roof, all service provisions to a sexual violence survivor under one roof. It is victim-centric, it has a gender-neutral approach. The entry is very fluid. Anyone can walk in, anyone can be referred to us, either from police station or from ward or from OPD, or even if anyone calls us, we will be duty-bound and as per the rules provided in the Anti-Rape Act to send an ambulance and bring that person to us. Once the person has reached us, he, she, or they will be provided medico-legal examination along with a collection of all the relevant forensic samples, psychological first aid, in addition to psychological assessment and rehab, and then the assistance by the police and legal help as required. Once all this is exhausted, the person, the survivor, is then referred to through the referral pathways to all the medical and surgical relevant departments, including but not limited to hepatitis B, C clinics, or even the HIV/AIDS clinic, or the gynae ward for the postcoital contraception. Anything and everything is being covered. In addition to that, we will develop a performance management framework for the entire medico-legal cadre. We will also develop the key performance indicators. In addition to that, we will be digitizing the entire pro forma that we have. We have a huge, I think about 8 or 9 different types of pro forma, so we will be digitizing that and connecting our database with the police cases. Police has a case flow management system. We will be connected to that, and eventually we will be connected to the judiciary. That will cut down on a lot of things, like say for example, the corruption, the allegations of corruption. It will cut down on the time which is taken for a document to reach from one office to the next. And essentially it will lead to a win-win situation for the victim or the survivor. The ARCC is likely to bring about changes in a way that we are approachable. One, far more approachable than a medico-legal section can be. We are purely dedicated to sexual violence survivors. Eventually, we will include the gender-based violence as well, but for now, we are just focusing on the sexual violence. And the best thing would be that service delivery, the standards which we are supposed to uphold, that will eventually translate into effective conviction. Anti-Rape Crisis Cell is Pakistan's way of saying that we are fighting back the sexual violence menace.